Right now, with everyone racing to adopt AI, there's one huge misconception, and that is that a large language model can invent the next breakthrough innovation. They probably won't, and the reasoning is really pretty straightforward. LLMs are trained on what already exists, so they excel at remixing best practices and common patterns, but not inventing brand new categories. They are actually designed to be statistically safe to prevent a lot of the hallucination, which means that they tend to give you average familiar answers instead of bold, risky ideas. Left alone, they can make you blend in instead of standing out. Used well, AI is an incredible amplifier. It can generate dozens of ideas, it can find patterns across industries, and it can help you refine your messaging, your offers, and your processes. And it does it a lot faster than a human team. Think of it as just a high-powered idea generator and editor, but it is never going to be the visionary and the innovator in the room. Only humans can define a daring vision. They can choose which weird ideas are worth betting on, and only they can take these real-world risks because they feel what customers actually care about. Your lived experience, intuition, and judgment are what turn AI outputs into unique products, unforgettable experiences, and businesses that truly stand out above the rest. You can't ask AI to replace your imagination. You can use it to stretch your thinking and to do analysis, but the bold decisions are the things that only you can make. And that's how you build something that your competitors just can't copy.